Meaning of Indo-Canadian.
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 Indo-Canadian. The term Indo-Canadian refers to people of Indian origin who reside in Canada. The community consists of individuals who have migrated from India to Canada as well as their descendants. Indo-Canadians make up a significant minority group in Canada, with a population of over 1.6 million. They have contributed to the country's social, cultural and economic fabric and are known for their entrepreneurial spirit, academic achievements and cultural diversity. The Indo-Canadian community has also faced various challenges, including discrimination and racism, but has worked towards building strong ties with the wider Canadian society.